we have been doing this activity, the CSR activities, for the last couple of years or 3 years or so. We took it up from the erstwhile DHFL, and you have seen the traction, and the people who were there for the last 3 years, now they would see the traction that we have done on the CSR front. The first thing that you should actually understand is that the CSR activities that we do is not a slum tourism kind of activity. It's not कि एक बार जाकर के खाना खिला दिया या कुछ कर दिया. It is a sustained effort over a period of time that we keep on doing, such that the changes in the behavior, changes in the conditions of living of the people actually happen, and we audit it. Thanks to our partners here, we have Mr. Nigam out here who has been supporting us in a number of activities, and a number of other partners who have been doing a lot of activities and are also generating a number of ideas for us, that we use such ideas and say कि अच्छा चलो ये करते हैं, next नया ये करते हैं, इस ढंग से करते हैं. Sometimes they feel we have less money in terms of what we should be doing in the CSR activities. We should have little more कि थोड़ा सा तो change आए यार, 10 आदमी को जिनकी जान बचा ली या जिनके ऊपर कर लिया ना, तो मजा आ जाता है देख करके. So that was the whole idea.
In fact, I don't know how many of you saw these old age homes we covered over the last 15-20 days.
Yes.
And there was, I don't know which location, I think Lucknow or somewhere.
Yes.
Where
Lucknow.
we gave a television.
Lucknow,
And
sir.
there was this very old lady, Yuvrajji, very, very old lady. I barely she could walk. She saw the television, started dancing. You know, so that those feeling.
Okay, and lastly, I'd like to introduce Praful Nikam. You must have seen in our emails, and we talk about Y4D Foundation. So he's the man behind the Y4D Foundation. Praful and his team has been enthusiastically involved with us as our partners with regards to CSR, and the entire team has been very, very helpful for all the events that have been done. And even today's event, they have coordinated with us in arranging the entire event, getting the ambulances. So actually the team is based from Pune, so they have traveled in the morning from Pune here for this particular event. But all across the country, whenever we do our health camps or donation of ambulances or any other skilling activity, these people reach before us to set up all the things, to get the things in place and help us with the entire activity that is going to happen. So, sir, we would like you to also speak a few
One more
words.
thing, a lot of volunteers there who are actually working professionals like us. So मैं जब भी जाता हूँ इनके साथ काम करने के लिए, you realize कि वो कोई Infosys का इंजीनियर भी है. You realize that अच्छा ये Y40 का एम्प्लॉय नहीं वो तो मैं इंजीनियर हूँ तो आया.
बताया मैंने इसी कि सबकी इच्छा होती है कुछ करने की. People are searching a platform.
So yeah, so thanks Aadhar and top management for giving us opportunity. So I will start with my journey basically. I will not take more time. So I worked with PwC in Dadar basically, and I left my job because I wanted to do something for society. And our first break, even though we work with lot of corporates, so our first big break and was with Aadhar. And what I like about Aadhar is most probably CSR is about checks actually. So we get check, we implement project, and we send the photos. But here in Aadhar, daily people are involved with us. So it's been positive. I'm not laughing. I never seen that. Suppose we are conducting 100 camps. I never seen somebody is involved in 100 camps actually. Generally, it's either quarterly reports or monthly reports we send, and that's all about it. So yesterday I had a meeting with donor, and I was giving my team was giving the presentation, and they said, why you are giving so much reporting to us? So I wanted to call Rutuji on that call so that she also stop asking. So, but that is a very good thing, because at all 100 places, most of your people, branch people reach there. And this is the big change in Indian society. So we are not doing charity as a something like मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि there is a difference between दान देना और charity करना. क्योंकि दान देना क्या होता है, आप देते हो क्योंकि आपको मरने के बाद कुछ चाहिए basically. But when you do the charity, that is the upliftment of people. So if you just hear the stories of all the medical camps, इस बार का आप रिपोर्ट शेयर कीजिएगा सबके साथ. So there is a stories if you hear. मैं एक ही छोटा सा स्टोरी बोल देता हूँ. एक जगह मेडिकल कैंप था और उस बच्चे को एक लड़की है बड़ी और छोटा अभी बच्चा उनका घर में बच्चा हुआ. तो वो बच्चे को डॉक्टर मना कर रहे थे तो भी हॉस्पिटल से उसको लेके आना पड़ा, क्योंकि वो डेली वेज अर्नर था. उसका ट्रीटमेंट नहीं हो रहा था, उसके बच्चे का ट्रीटमेंट नहीं हो रहा था, उसका हालत और ख़राब होते जा रहा था. तो जब हमारा मेडिकल कैंप उसके घर के पास था तो वी ट्रीटेड वो पर्सन को भी ट्रीट किया और उसके बच्चे को भी ट्रीट किया. हमने डॉक्टर को बोला था, डॉक्टर फॉलो अप टू 15 days एक्चुअली. तो अगर आप उनका खुशी देखोगे तो इट्स नॉट अबाउट 100 मेडिकल कैंप, बट जो 100 लाइफ या 50 भी लाइफ हम इम्पैक्ट करेंगे ना, दैट इज अ वेरी बिग थिंग। और आधार के साथ हम काफ़ी अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स कर रहे हैं। एम्बुलेंस का प्रोजेक्ट का भी आप स्टोरियाँ सुनेंगे तो यू विल बी वेरी हैप्पी कि आप इस कंपनी के पार्ट हो। बट आई विल लाइक टू अपील टू एवरीवन बिकॉज यू आर द क्रीम लेयर ऑफ सोसाइटी। मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ एनीबडी अर्निंग मोर देन 50,000, और आई थिंक इस रूम में सभी लोग उससे ज़्यादा अर्न कर रहे होंगे, तो इट्स अवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। जैसे सर ने कहा कि इट्स नॉट अबाउट कि अगर कोई भी कंट्री में पुअर रहता है तो देयर इज हमारे लिए थ्रेट है वो। अगर पूर्ण मुंबई में मान लीजिए स्लम है तो इट्स अ थ्रेट टू अस, बिकॉज अगर कल आपका सिक्योरिटी डिस्पर्स हो सकता है, आपका जो लाइफ है वो जैसे हमने अफगानिस्तान में देखा। तो इसलिए यू सपोर्ट एनीबडी, चाहे आप किसी की तरह का सपोर्ट हो सकता है, यू कैन सपोर्ट समबडी इन बिल्डिंग रिज्यूम्स, गिविंग देम जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी, जो भी आपका तरीका है। सो यू ऑलवेज सपोर्ट, डू समथिंग विथ योर जॉब्स। आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ पीपल आर ऑलरेडी डूइंग, and I thanks everyone. Lastly, I thanks to Yuvraj ji. Yuvraj ji is a very good friend, so I just called. There is a I know he's a celebrity, but so I was not expecting he will come. Frankly, so I called him. I said, "Sir, we are doing a very good project, and we want you here." And he graced the occasion. He come before the time. I thought he will come very late because we have the experience with lot of celebrities.
Sportsman is different.
So he's a very humble guy. So I thanks him and thanks everyone here actually for giving us opportunity.
Thank you. Thank you very much.